Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox an iPhone 11. I just borrowed this phone from one of my friends who just got this phone. As you can see, this is the green variant. The cover looks good. You can see the pricing and all other stuffs written on back, date of import, etc. Let me open the box. My friends have already opened the outermost sticker. The color looks really good. The back is glass. I'll keep the phone here for now. Let's see what all they have included in the box. This is a welcome kit. It's just basically user manual and this SIM ejector too, and a couple of stickers maybe. It's all regular in all iPhones. I'll keep it there. Let me see the charger. This is a normal power brick. I don't think this is a high power one. High power ones are only available in the Pro models. Yeah, this is the 5 watt normal charger. And this is the lightning type headphone. And you can see the lightning cable inside, and that's all there is inside the box. Let us see the phone itself. I'll peel the sticker off. The phone looks really good in hand. The back side is glass and the side is aluminum anodized. Wow, this is really great to hold. I really liked it. Let me power this on. Let it boot and I will set the phone up. This phone uses Face ID. There is no fingerprint sensor. Face ID makes your face the password for this device. As you can see, I have set the device, and let me see if it's running the latest version of iOS. Yeah, as you can see, it's running the latest version 13.2.2. This is a 64 GB model. This is Apple A13 processor. The UI looks really great. I like the wallpaper. And this phone has two cameras. One is the normal version and the other is the ultra wide camera. It has greater field of view so that user can capture more content. This movement of the zoom is so smooth. I have never seen such cool movements in any other devices till now. I really gave a thumbs up to Apple for implementing this. The camera looks really good. First time users might feel a little awkward using the gesture navigation, but it's fine after a couple of minutes. That's all basically about the phone. This is just an unboxing. I'll be posting a detailed review about the device after using it for a couple of days. Overall, what I can say is this is a really good device. I hope each of you guys like my video. Thank you.